Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable Data Saver on Twitter for PC. Let's optimize your data usage with these simple steps. To begin, open Twitter on your PC. Look for the navigation bar at the top of the screen and click on the menu icon located there. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. Next, locate and click on Settings and Privacy within the menu. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your Twitter experience. In the Settings menu, find the General section and click on Data Usage. This is where you can manage how Twitter uses your data and enable the Data Saver feature. Finally, within the Data Usage settings, you'll see an option to check the Data Saver. Make sure this box is checked to activate the Data Saver feature. This feature helps reduce data consumption while using Twitter on your PC. By following these steps, you can now enjoy a more data-efficient experience while staying connected on Twitter from your PC. Optimize your data usage today by enabling Data Saver with these simple steps. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on optimizing your online experience.